Hi and welcome to my latest Lego Technic creation, a coin cascade dozer machine. If you're not familiar with one of these, it's a machine usually found in amusement parks where you can drop in coins at the top here, and if you're lucky the coins will push down this arcade and eventually some will drop out the bottom here, which are your winnings. So in this model, rather than using coins, I've used Lego Technic parts. They're much more exciting to win than coins. And the way this machine works is at the back we've got a motor with a crankshaft driving the levels, and I'll show you more of those later. Here at the top, this is where you drop your pieces into. So this is a wee basket. You can turn it left and right by rotating this wheel here. You can tilt it back and forth, and you can also move it back and forward like that. And the idea is that you can sort of aim your shot so that your piece will land at the right time in order to be able to start the cascade. So like I said, at the back here we've got the motor and the crankshaft. I'll just turn that around and get a good view of the side there. Okay, so the whole mechanism is driven by a large Lego Technic motor here. We've got a 15:1 gearing ratio, and that is turning these crankshafts over here to move back and forth the cascade mechanism. So a large Lego Technic motor normally runs at about 380 to 390 RPM, which with the 15:1 gearing ratio means that the dozer mechanism moves back and forth about once every 2 seconds. I've also got the motor connected up through a variable power supply over here, and that allows me to change the speed as well. So at the moment it's set to 6 volts, which is normally 9, but I can crank that up and make it go a lot faster. For example, 9 volts there gives us the full speed, but it's probably a little bit too fast, so I've normally set it to about 6, and it's also a bit less noisy. Now you might be wondering how the coin dozer operator makes a profit. Well, the secret is at the front here. What we've got, oops, so that's some free winnings. What we've got here at the front, we've got 2 holes which actually some of the coins can drop into, in this case Lego pieces, and that's the operator profit, and the profit is taken out from this tray here, and you can see, look at that, some good winnings in there. Okay, I'm going to try my luck. I've got my coin ready. I'm going to aim for the corner and let's go. Alright, let's see. Oh, look at that. This is going to be a big win. Excellent, look at that. Well, thanks for watching, and if you want to increase your Lego collection, just set one of these dozers up at the next Lego Technic convention, and I'm sure you'll do very well out of it. If you'd like to support this channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.